Welcome to Luxe Lifestyles, where elegance meets affordability. Introducing our off-shoulder evening dress, a true masterpiece that redefines luxury without breaking the bank. The delicate neckline gracefully highlights your collarbones, adding a touch of allure to your evening look. With a silhouette that flatters every figure, this dress is designed to hug your curves in all the right places. The luxurious fabric drapes beautifully, offering both comfort and style. Whether you're stepping into a high-end gala or attending an intimate dinner, this dress makes a statement. It's not just an outfit, it's an experience designed to turn heads and leave a lasting impression. At Luxe Lifestyles, we're committed to bringing you the best in high-end fashion without the high-end price. Follow us on social media to stay updated on our latest collections and special offers. Your dream dress is just a click away. Visit Luxe Lifestyles today and make every day a stylish one.